Alright, welcome back to another episode of Andrew's Garage, and today it's a little bit different. I'm doing some lettering on the Pontiac because I always like the look of the old NASCAR or vintage lettering, hand lettering, and I took my shot at it the other night and tried to free stencil some stuff on the hood, and I'm just not that skilled with that. So what I do still have though is a Cricut. So last night got on the Cricut, found some lettering styles that I liked, and got some different stuff off the interwebs to make up some stickers. And basically these I haven't been stuck to the car yet, but that's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. I'm not sure if I like that style of lettering. I do like that style there. I'm not sure about that one yet. That one looks too keyboard typed, I guess. But I'm still gonna think about it and see. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with brush painting these, and I'll see how runny the paint feels, see if because it's cold outside. If it doesn't feel like it's going to do anything, then I'll peel off the sticker and I'll come through and try to fix the edges beforehand so I don't have a sharp edge, and kind of make it more I guess proper. So I'm going to work on all these and see what it looks like. Now, I do plan on doing kind of like a black accent back on some of these, give them some dimension. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and get this camera set up, and I'll start brush painting inside of here, and we'll see what all we can get done today. Alright, so basically you see that Cricketed out the template and using the brush to kind of imitate brush strokes, and it looks pretty good. Everything's going to get like a fine line outline, so I'm not too concerned with like a little bit of the jagged edges. But you can tell that these are pretty square here, but once you get to some of the rougher body panels that have some pitting and stuff like that, you start to see the edges get a little rough. So I'm not too sure. I know I'm going to do shadowing on the numbers on the hood and the rear quarter panels. I'm going to do shadowing on them. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. It gives it a different dynamic, really. Because I didn't like the way the hood looked on the car. Really not a big fan of it. It just makes it look long and tall, but adding some stuff to bring your eyes away from the size of the hood definitely helps. It kind of creates a whole package. When you're looking at it, I don't think it looks bad anymore. So, and there's still plenty I can do now that I got the templates made. If for some reason these don't work out, or the paint type that I used, I can always redo it. And it didn't really take me that long. So I think I have probably 3 hours in it, just getting it lined up and put on. So I'm happy with it so far. Everything's looking good. I got the quarter panel back there left to do, and that is it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get that on there, get it painted, and maybe go work on the computer, trying to get the next video uploaded, and then also mess around with the software. Because I think I can take this letter on the computer, create a copy, make one of them black, that'll be the background, and then take the front image and kind of go sideways and maybe a little down with it diagonally, and that'll create the shadowing effect on the back side of the letters like they do. And then that'll give me a nice reference that I can have while I'm freehanding the rest of it. So I think it'll look pretty good. I'm happy with the way it's turning out, and we'll see what the other side brings. That's where I'm gonna cut the video off today. Now, I had a lot of fun hand lettering the car, and it's something that I haven't really done before, but I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.